The Certified Kubernetes Application Developer, or CKAD, is a professional certification that validates your ability to design, build, and deploy cloud-native applications on Kubernetes. This certification is specifically focused on application development skills rather than cluster administration, making it ideal for developers who want to demonstrate their expertise in the Kubernetes ecosystem. CKAD is a performance-based certification offered by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, also known as CNCF, unlike traditional multiple-choice exams. This certification validates your hands-on ability to design, build, configure, and expose cloud-native applications for Kubernetes. The key distinction of CKAD is its focus on application development rather than cluster administration, meaning you'll be working with application-level Kubernetes resources and solving real-world development challenges. The CKAD exam is a 2-hour, hands-on examination where you'll complete 15 to 20 performance-based tasks directly on the command line. To pass the certification, you need to achieve a score of 66% or higher. The exam is entirely practical, meaning you'll be working in real Kubernetes environments rather than answering theoretical questions. This format ensures that certified professionals have genuine, applicable skills. The CKAD exam is divided into 4 core domains, each weighted differently. Application design and build accounts for 20% of the exam. Application deployment also represents 20%. Application observability covers 18% of the questions. Finally, application environment and security is the largest domain at 25%. Understanding these weightings helps you prioritize your study time effectively. The CKAD certification will teach you several essential Kubernetes skills. You'll learn to define and manage pods, deployments, and services, which are the fundamental building blocks of Kubernetes applications. You'll master implementing rolling updates and rollbacks to manage application versions safely. You'll configure config maps and secrets to handle application configuration and sensitive data. Additionally, you'll apply security contexts and network policies to protect your applications and control network traffic. Beyond the basics, CKAD also covers advanced topics. You'll work with persistent volumes and storage classes to manage application data that needs to survive pod restarts. You'll learn to monitor applications using logs and metrics to troubleshoot issues and ensure application health. You'll use resource limits and probes for health checks to optimize application performance and reliability. Finally, you'll create and manage jobs and cron jobs for batch processing and scheduled tasks. The CKAD certification is ideal for several professional roles. Application developers who build containerized applications will benefit from understanding how to deploy and manage them on Kubernetes. DevOps engineers who bridge development and operations need these skills to automate deployment pipelines. Software architects designing cloud-native systems require this knowledge to make informed architectural decisions. Cloud engineers working with modern infrastructure will find CKAD essential for managing containerized workloads effectively. Earning your CKAD certification provides several significant benefits. It validates your expertise in cloud-native application development with an industry-recognized credential. The certification enhances your career opportunities in the rapidly growing cloud ecosystem, as Kubernetes skills are in high demand. CKAD is recognized by leading tech companies worldwide, giving your resume immediate credibility. Most importantly, the performance-based exam format demonstrates your hands-on proficiency with real-world scenarios, proving you can actually do the work, not just talk about it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.